morning again. Welcome to Jackie's kitchen. As you can see, I set up everything today. I have organic coconut flour, organic vanilla, organic ripe banana, organic coconut oil, million salt. I have grinded some chia seed and flax seed, and I have my bowl ready and the muffin tray, and the oven is already set to 360 Fahrenheit, ready to go. I'm gonna start mixing all the dry ingredients first. Mash the banana. This is eggless muffin, and I'm gonna show you after it's baked how does it look like and give my honest opinion. How does it taste? This is my first time I'm trying this, so let's try it. Which normally I don't put in my recipes, but I'm gonna try. 1/3 of a cup, and I'm gonna add a pinch of a salt. It's asking for, I guess, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And we're gonna mix the sugar and banana well. Combine the sugar. If you're not using sugar, I guess you can use dates, chopped dates, or raisin to have some sweetener beside the banana, because banana is not gonna be enough for the coconut and the flour we are using. We're gonna add all the dry ingredients, and then in the end I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup coconut oil and 1/2 cup of almond milk. It's already baked 25 minutes. We try it, nothing sticks to the pick, then it should be ready. I'm gonna try to open one of them to see, but obviously we have to wait because it's so hot. Looks perfect, but I have to try to see how does it taste like to let you know. Since it's so hot, it's hard to interesting taste, but obviously you should never try the bake when it's too hot, because it tastes different unless. But so far I would say from 1 to 10 I will give a 6 to this try recipe, which is eggless, 1/2 coconut and 1/2 regular flour. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna try something else tomorrow.